I'm Mark from Three Blue Ducks. I'm one of the original guys that started our restaurant group. We never thought we were going to be a restaurant group, but we've sort of turned out that way. We have a very strong focus around using sustainable produce, and everything that we're using within the venues comes from Australia or New Zealand. We've got 7 restaurants and now the new venue at URBNSURF in Melbourne. You know, at this mezzanine level and a downstairs and an outside eating area with a takeaway facility and a pretty serious kitchen. You know, it's not uncommon to do 300, 350 people for lunch, the same sort of numbers for dinner again. We're running an all-day menu from midday through to 9 and 10 o'clock on Fridays and Saturdays. There's a big service window. It can be quite taxing on, you know, the workload of the staff. So we sort of really needed to focus on designing and building a kitchen that can accommodate such a long service period. I've got 2 of the 50-litre Frymasters, which are very serious deep fries. And then I've got the Garland Superior range, which has got the larger hobs and the higher gas flow rate. So I've got a flat top and a 6-burner, and then I've got an 8-burner at the back on the back production line. I've got the 20-tray Rationale combi steamer oven freestanding. The piece that I can't live without now is becoming the Rationale Vario cooking centre. It's extremely sensitive. I can do very delicate jobs from braising and poaching. I cook, you know, large egg crepes on it to do like egg noodles and stuff. All of our stocks, all of our sauces, braises, reductions, they're all happening in there. I actually didn't think that I needed it in the beginning, and now it's turned out to be the most valuable piece in the whole kitchen.